always been your playground. You never asked, you never apologized. I was standing upside powerless, watching you fade away. You've always been out of reach. By your side I always felt stuck in a waiting room. Didn't ever catch the train to Loverland. I was running, running, running without leaving. A constant tourist I have been in your world. You're my deepest cut. The wound doesn't bleed anymore, but now the scar hurts.